Go.
This was this woman and man they was husband and wife. The wife was a bathtub and the man was a commode. So the man came from his work in the house, so he told his wife, he said, baby, my job is giving a party tonight. So I'm saying, like, I want you to go get dressed. I want to take you to this party. So she said, okay, honey. So she went and got dressed and everything. So she came downstairs. He said, oh, baby, you look good. So they left out and went and got in the car and everything. So they went to the party. So time they got to the party, she left him instead standing by herself. So he got angry. So he went over there. It was because she was with some men talking. He went and got her by the arm and said, come on, let's go home. So he put her out. So they got in the car. So they were driving. He said, that's your problem. He said, when we go out, you just want to forget me and this and that. He said, that's your problem. He said, you always kissing somebody's ass. She said, I may kiss a lot of ass, but I don't have to take all that shit.
That's my favorite one. That's actually my favorite one.
That's your favorite one.